I've got a success story to tell you about a used BMW that I purchased. And main reason that I got such a good deal was because of the pre-purchase inspection that I got at the garage. My name's Anthony Pritchard, and I've always enjoyed looking at the European roadster look of the BMW, but I've always been a little bit cautious about getting into one because I've known that they can be expensive to repair. Well, I found a solution, and it starts off with the pre-purchase inspection. So the story I have to tell you is of me looking for a used BMW. I found one with the salvage title. These guys recommended I stay clear there, that I could still find one for the $2,500, $3,000 range that was ready to drive. And they were right. I finally came across one. It had been sitting for 5 months. The guy didn't know what to do with it, was gonna repair it on his own, decided, you know what, it's too big of a hassle. I just wanna sell it, get it off the property. He had like 8 other cars parked over there. And before I bought it from him, I asked him, can I take it to the garage so they can put it up on the lift and take a look at it? He was like, sure, okay, let's go. Drove with him to the garage. Paul, really good at inspecting these used BMWs because he looks at them all the time, every day anyways. He told me everything that was wrong with it. He gave me a printout of exactly what it would cost. So then I negotiated a couple $100 off the list price with the seller, and I felt good about the purchase. He felt good about the purchase. I put another, a couple thousand into getting it repaired, but now I've got a really great BMW 2004 325 Xi, which is the 4-wheel drive model, and I love it. I'm so glad that I took it to these guys at the garage because now they're taking care of the vehicle when check engine light comes on. I talked to the manager over there, Tim, about this specific service, the pre-purchase inspection, and he says don't do a post-purchase inspection because he's had people that have come and done that too, but they've found out after the fact that the vehicle's not worth what they paid. So it's a really inexpensive, worthwhile service. Highly recommend these guys. They're right down here past Oxford on Santa Fe. I think that's Union and Santa Fe, and you'll be glad you did.